everyone, welcome back to Fun in Tim's Garden. Today we're talking about the chocolate pear tomato. Now I've talked about these a lot. They're absolutely incredible little tomatoes. And you can see they're shaped like a pear and they do have a chocolatey color to them. But what's really great is their taste. It's almost smoky. It's tomatoey, smoky. I would say it has a little bit of a chocolatey taste to it. If you ever have a chance to try these, I really highly recommend it. They're wonderful. Again, these are chocolate pear tomatoes, shaped like a pear. Taste kind of chocolatey, kind of smoky, wonderfully full, wonderfully plump. I highly recommend them. I hope you can find them at your local grocery store. I bet you can find them at a co-op if you try. Or you can be crazy like me and try to grow them yourself in the basement. Have a great day, okay? Bye now.